Yeah, let me show you how I
All
see
right,
this
last
shit.
time I posted a vlog, it was me on my solo date, and that solo date videos had men in my DMs. Yes, a lot of them was exes, and my dumb ass took a chance to going out with my ex, and look at me sitting here looking dumb. This is this Saturday, February 1st, 2025, so I have no excuse, bitch. But this is me sitting in the Bronx. This is me walking around the Bronx. I do not live in the Bronx, guys. I live in Brooklyn, but he does live in the Bronx. Oh, that's how true it is. Hold on. So I went. I ain't gonna lie, your girl has been abstinent for 4 to 5 years. No one has touched this body, seen this body, felt this body. At this point, I was about to kill somebody. Okay, bars. But anyway, y'all gonna have to check out Brooklyn Lexi for the full story. But let me give you a quick synopsis. So look at me. I got there around 8:30. He wasn't there. He was at work. You know when you ask God for a rich men be busy, bitch. They don't really be on the phone. They don't really have a lot of time. You have to kind of squeeze in when you can get in. And even though we had a tumultuous relationship, mind you, that'll be in the vlog, the long vlog. This is me arriving at his home. Again, if you watch my fight party video, that's where I went for the fight party, but I quickly exited. If you go watch that, you'll see. But anyway, this is me by myself. He wasn't there. Look at the views. Even the moon was smiling at me like go home. But at the time, 2 days ago, I'm like, the moon is telling me I'm in the right place. But anyway, I be thinking I'm all wiser now and smarter, making better choices. But sometimes I still be having my naive moments. And girl, I ain't gonna hold you. I've been feeling lonely. I ain't gonna hold you. Especially with like the opposite sex, like a man, girl. Everything's been dirty to me. Everything. And I feel so bad about that. But anyway, this nigga had a hideaway key that turned me on. Cause thinking ahead, I love a think ahead man. Niggas let you in their crib when they're not there. I was there by myself for like an hour and a half, I believe, because a girl almost fell asleep. And I could have robbed this nigga. I could hear my friend Shimona, shout out to her ex-friend. She'd be like, rob those niggas. Take that. He had mad shit to rob too. But I'm not a rob. What I'm gonna do with the shit? I'm not a robbing bitch. But anyway, this is me making a tour of a nigga house. Looking back, I don't believe I did this, but I don't know. In the moment, I just felt like, ah. But as you can see, I'm going to get real cozy. At first, I was a little uncomfortable, but him not being there at first made me more comfortable. I feel like niggas be knowing what they doing. When I came in, he had the bar set up for me. The wine was right there. He's like, you could grab a glass of wine. You could relax. I got the remotes. And look at me. I'm just like, this house is so clean and Look at me. I took my shoes off, girl. Got cozy, girl. I almost fell asleep. He wasn't even there. Then he came home, put the fireplace on while he took a shower. Came out the shower all buttery, oily, smelling delicious. Gave me a blinky. And look at him. Look at me trying not to have a panic attack. Right? He looked there with the beer, with the chocolate. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Anyway, girl, I broke my celibacy. Yeah. And this is the result. When I came out at 6 a.m, yes, when I came out at 6 a.m, somebody had hit my motherfucking car. I was tight, and then I was crying, and then I broke my celibacy, guys. We're going to talk about it on the channel because I did start crying, so we're going to talk about if it's really broke, because I started crying in the middle, and he was like, what's wrong? I was like, I wanted it to be special, and he was like, do you want me to put some romantic music and candles? And that's when it stopped, but we'll talk about it in the channel, because, girl, I don't know if I regret it or if I'm happy. I know all day yesterday I was sad, and my throat was hurt, but anyway, shout out to police. This is me leaving the Bronx. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube for the full vlog, Brooklyn Lexi. I will be working on it today and tomorrow. Anyway, this is me living in the Bronx. Shout out to God. Somebody hit my car, and now looking back, I think it's one of his bitches because he does, as he calls them, have options. But we'll talk about that. And I was regretting my choice. I did have fun. Guys, we're going to talk about it. I be thinking I'm such a mature person. And I'm so like grown up, but girls, I needed some touchy. But anyway, we're gonna talk about it. All right. Anyway, shout out to Lloyd. Still made it to the gym. This is my fourth voiceover. Let's see if this one hits.